popular.
We the ones setting trends, we keep it so real and you just pretend.
We make it popular.
We the ones that will shine, we 10 steps ahead and you just behind.
Well, hold up.
I think I hear a little hater in the room.
Hello guys, I'm Deja B and thank you for tuning in to my Popular Girl channel. Now, if you looked at part 1 of this video, you will know that tomorrow I'm going to a baby shower and it happens to fall on Easter. So instead of me getting a regular gift, I decided that why not make a gift basket. Since it's Easter, she'll get a little Easter basket, I guess if you want to say. So the first basket I made, you can check out the video, I'll leave the link down below. Now, the first basket that I made, it was a tutu basket. So I had a basket and I put tutu around it and I had various baby shower items. Now, because I love little girls and I love shopping for little baby girls because they just have the cutest things, I bought a whole lot of stuff. I feel like all the stuff was just so cute. You need to see each item. So I didn't want to just have stuff stacked on top of stuff. So I decided to split the items into 2 different baskets. So you're going to see a different variation of giving a baby shower basket. So once again, I went to Burlington Factory, I went to Marshals, and I went to Family Dollar. And like I said in the other video, you can mix it up. Everything doesn't have to be expensive. You could mix up, you know, they usually have like the little dollar section where you could get bottles, you could get the bottle cleaner and wipes and all that other stuff. So you could get that and then get special items to go into the basket. So I found this cute little basket at Marshals. Who doesn't like a unicorn? Like, everybody loves a unicorn. So, and the good thing about this, when the baby gets older, she could use this as an Easter basket if she wants to. And then I have other little items in the first basket. I have these little socks. They came maybe like 6 in a pack, so I decided to take them out the gift basket. That way you could see the socks a little better. Now, in the other video, I put these shoes, but I decided I think I'm gonna put these shoes into this basket, and I switched them out for these. These are just so cute. The baby, of course, would not be able to wear them as of now, but I think these are like a size 5, and I have a 2-year-old, but is a little boy, and he's wearing a size 5 or 6. So maybe the next year or 2. She will be wearing these little shoes. These are just so cute. I think I need a pair for myself. What you think, right? And then we have these. So this is another take on a unicorn. So this is like a headband, and these are like little sandals. It's not really sandals, but it looks like sandals that can go over the baby's foot. You know, nice for pictures and stuff like that. Then we have little hair bows. Of course, everybody loves a little hair bow and a little girl. And I have some washcloths. And once again, I believe I got these from Burlington Factory. And then some other hair bows. And then I got a ribbon. This is gonna go at the end when I put the plastic bag over it. And then I had these just in case. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them, but it's always nice to have when I'm making doing crafts and doing projects. I always like to have like little knickknacks and stuff, because you just never know. You might have an idea of how you're gonna execute it, and then things might fall down and fall apart. So you want to have different various stuff. Tape. Usually I have glue, but I don't think I'm gonna need glue, and scissors just in case, right? So for this basket, we're gonna fill it with some fillers. Now, I was lucky enough because, like I said, it's tomorrow's Easter, so all the stores have so many different things that you could make with a basket. But if it's not that season, of course you could order from different places. You could go to places like Michael's and get fillers. So what I'm gonna also do is I'm gonna put some wrapping paper, tissue paper rather, sorry. because I think I want to cover the grass. Like, although I like the grass, I still want to cover it a little bit. So we're going to do that. Just cover it a little bit. Have it come out. See? And that way, this stuff, it could give it a little height. So I think the first thing I'm gonna put is the unicorn little set. So I'm gonna put that in the front, like so you can see it. And I think I'm going to put the little socks on the side as well. That, like that. Let me see if that looks right. And then I'm going to put maybe this in the back. And then I also had a bottle cleaner. You always need one of these because after a while this starts to fall apart. Trust me, I've been through a lot because I have a 2-year-old. So I think I'm gonna put that like right here. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see. Cause the whole point of the basket is you wanna see the various things that you have in it. In my other video when I was watching it, the little socks was falling all over the place and I didn't even know. So I think I might put these in the front as well. Because once again, you want to see all the little things that you have. Okay. And I'll put these back here. Then the little shoes. Somewhere over here. I think I'm gonna switch this around. Put these like that. Oh Lord. And that's gonna happen. Stuff is gonna fall apart, but you have to fix it and position it to how you like it. You guys, I didn't realize that the camera shut off. So what I did basically, once you put the basket into position, I have this, it's like, let me undo it. So you can see. You can buy these things from Marshals, Amazon. They have basket, plastic. It's like a bag, a clear cellophane bag. And just literally gather it up. And make a bowl. So here's your baby shower basket. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button so every time you see a new video, you can look and like. Thank you.